Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is the exponents. We'll see the part 1 of it. So in short, what is exponents? So exponent shows actually how many times a number is multiplied by itself. Suppose we take the example 3 raised to 4. So 3 raised to 4 means this 3 will be multiplied 4 times. Well, how many number? This times a number is multiplied by itself. So that is going to be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are, that is going to be 81. So here, this 3, this is called the base, and this 4, this is called the, we can call it as the exponent, or also we can call it as the power. So it means that multiply 3, that we can say 4 times. So now let us see, but in this one, the most important thing what you have to remember is this: you have to learn all the laws. So if you know the laws thoroughly, you can solve the problem. So here this is the first law. So this A, this is the base, and this is the exponent, or we can call it as the power. So A raised to m into A raised to n. So whenever there is multiplication, we add the exponent. So m plus n. So the base remains the same. When there is division, we subtract the exponents. This means there is a multiplication sign in between. So this will be mn. So this will be multiplied. Base remains the same. Again here, now here you can see the exponents are same and the bases are different. So what you have to do, you have to multiply the base. So that will be AB, and this bracket is very important, and then m, because if you just write AB and m, that means this m is just for B and not A. So this bracket shows that this m is for A as well as B. A raised to m divided by B raised to m. So now you can see the exponents are same. So what will you do? You will write here A divided by B, and this is here m you will write. That means this is A raised to m and this is B raised to m. And here, if the exponent is 0, even if it is 100 raised to 0, the answer is going to be 1. So the base can be any number. The answer is going to be 1. If here this is 1, so that is going to be the base itself. So if it is 100 raised to 1, so that is going to be just 100. Now if it is a negative exponent, so that we have to always make it to positive, so that is going to be the reciprocal of it. So 1 by A raised to n. And if it is in a fraction, so this will get flip over. So B divided by A, and this is going to be positive. To make it to positive, we have to flip over this one. So these are some of the laws what you have to remember. Now here we'll see the exercise 5.1. So this is the exponential form. Whatever is written in value is already given, and whatever the white ones, this is the answer what we have to fill. You can check your book for this particular exercise. So here now this is given 4 raised to 3. We can call it raised to 4 raised to 3. So here this is the base and this is the exponent, and expanded form means 4 you are going to multiply 3 times, and value means after multiplying this, what do you get? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. This is already given. Now for this one, this is the base, this is the exponent. Again this you are going to multiply 4 times because this is 4, and then you are going to write the final answer. You are going to multiply, which is going to be 81. Again this is the base, this is the exponent. This you are going to multiply 5 times. After multiplying 5 times, you can check, that is 3125. Here there is no exponent. Wherever there is no exponent means that is always going to be 1 over here. So this is the base, this is going to be the exponent, and this is this 1 time, that is expanded form, which is going to be just 7, and the value is going to be 7. For this one, this is the base, this is the exponent. Then you are going to multiply this 2 times, and that is going to be 2 to the 4. Now here they said express the following in the exponential form. This is already given, so you have to write in the exponential form. So how many times do you have 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you write here 4 raised to 6. Again for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can put a bracket because this is a minus 1 raised to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a raised to 5. Now you can see here 3's and 2's. So 3 is 3 raised to 3, 3 times. And this is 4 times. So 2 is 4 times. So 2 raised to 4. Again here minus b is 2 times. That will be raised to 2. And minus c is going to be 1, 2, 3 times. So that will be minus c raised to 3. Now you can see t here, t raised to 3, u raised to square, this 2, and this is just v. Here you have to find the value of. So 3 is multiplied 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after multiplying this, 3 is a 9, 9 3 are 27. You can check. So that is going to be 7 to 9. Here, because this is in 10, so what you have to do, you don't have to keep on writing 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 7 times, but what you will do, you will write here 1, and this 0 we can write here 7 times. So 3, 4, this will be the answer. Now here 12 into 12 into 12, so that is going to be 1728. Minus 5 is to 4. Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So now I'll tell you one thing, because this is minus. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a 4 is a even number. So whenever we have even number, that is always going to be positive. Suppose there were 5 negative signs. So 5 is an odd number. If there were one more, suppose with minus 5, suppose, so there will be 5 negative signs. So whenever there is a negative, this with a odd number, that is the 5 is an odd number. So there are 5 negative odds. So at that time, it will be minus whatever the answer is. But now these are this one, so you don't have to think over. Now suppose it is just 2 times. So you know this 1, 2. So this is an even number. So that will be just 25. If it is 3 times, so this is an odd number. You will write a negative and then you will write the answer. So here now this is minus 17 is 2 times. So minus 17, that becomes positive because it's an odd number. So that will be 289. Here they said identify the greater number in each of the following pairs. So here 2 raised to 5 or 5 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 5 means you are going to multiply 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 and 16 to the 32. And 5 is to 2 means 5 into 5. So that is going to be 25. So which is a bigger number? 32 is a bigger number. So we can say here 2 raised to 5. So they said identify the greater number. For this one, that will be, now forget about the negative sign for a while. 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 sevens are 49 and 49 sevens are, so that is going to be 343. So but that will be a negative sign because it is here is 3. So that's an odd number. And this, if you multiply this 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, whatever they multiplying, you are going to get some big number. So 3 is a 9, 9 is a 27, this is 6 and this is 7. So we can do it like this. 3 is a 9, 9 is a 27, 27 is a 81, 81 3 is a, so that is going to be 243, 243, 3 is a, whatever this is 3 into 3, that is going to be 9. So that is going to be a big number. So what happens, these are the negative signs. So in this one, negative sign, wherever that is a small number, that is going to be a, because you know the number line, 0, minus 1, this is 1, 2. So always the smaller number is going to be a greater number. Okay, so this is, we got the answer for this, a smaller one. So that will be minus 7 raised to 3 is going to be a greater number. Now you have 2 raised to 10 and this will be 10 raised to 2. So 2 you are going to multiply 10 times. So this will be something a bigger number because this 10 square means this is just going to be 100. So here itself, this you are going to multiply this 10 times 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So that is going to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 32, 64, then 128 and so on. Whatever it is going to be a bigger number. So that will be 2 raised to 10. Now here 100 square will be, you will write here 1, 2, 3, 4. For this one, there will be 4 zeros. But here 2 raised to 100, that is going to be a very big number. So this is going to be a greater number. Now in this case, you don't have to multiply because this is a negative number and this is a positive number. So always the positive number, this is going to be a bigger one. So we have to write here 10 raised to 3. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.